YouTube. We caught a banger this morning. We caught a banger this morning. Let's get into it, man. Let's get into it, man. Sheesh. Okay, you guys, bear with me. I know that this computer I'm on is pretty old. Every time I share my screens. Every time I share my screens, just get a little laggy. Damn, gold really going. Shit. We missed out on gold, man. We missed out on gold. It's okay though. We are done for the day, essentially before the trash man gets here. I love it. Wednesday is trash day for me over here in LA. But man, oh man, I had an alert set on gold and GLD, just a little bit too low. I have my alert set around like 268.15 for GLD. And I was absolutely looking for a push to 270. I was looking for this 270 target because the past week gold has been in a range. We couldn't break 270 for the following week. Monday, we drop off. Tuesday, we get a nice push back up into the range. And then we find the edge of the range over here today, 6 a.m. CPI. Volatility came in as expected and pushed us out of 270. But instead of me taking this trade that I was looking for, I decided to play SPY. I don't have my I don't have things charted up over here. Let me see if I can get into my Discord on this monitor. It looks like they're trying to, okay. SPY's a bit choppy right now. It looks like they're trying to create a range. Okay, they let me in. Awesome. Okay. So here's an inside look into my Discord. These are all my different sections here. News, brokers that I use, study hall, movers that I like to keep my eyes on. In the general chat, long-term positions, options trading, results, and charts. Here's my VIP section. Getting that launched here pretty shortly. Crypto, Forex, YouTube, live trade. Actually, let me go ahead and share this right here. Yeah, this is a bit laggy over here. I understand. Pretty hard to keep up with this. But it is what it is for right now. It's working out for me. I mean, what's the difference between live trading and streaming? Same thing. I love this thumbnail right here. That thumbnail just made me want to just get live real quick. Like, I already took my trades, man. I took some trades. I would have caught that gold move, but I decided to hop on Forex and short the UJ, the USD Japanese yen, for no reason at all. I'm gonna just close out on this. So I don't really like this. Don't want to watch it either. Chum change on UJ. Starbucks had a beautiful setup. Was it yesterday? Starbucks had a banger of a setup, shorting off the highs of 112, and now Starbucks is below 100. That's crazy. Sometimes I find some really amazing plays and then just forget about them. Like Starbucks is at 97 right now, off of 112 from Friday, all the way back to Thursday. But yeah, all the way back, yeah, 1 week. So weeklies on Starbucks would have printed so hard. Damn, yeah, Starbucks just got crushed. But here's the trade that I took today on the SPY. I am going to be looking to play just a little bit something else. Yesterday, slow start for me, but I did capitalize that extension, and then they sold us back down. I would have took this, but I was like, okay, I saw this right here, and I wanted to target this, and then I'll say that's good enough for me. That's all I need. One and done. Now today, I got into 566 calls on SPY. Here's a breakdown. I'm doing this on my phone too. This is on the phone in the bed. This is just lazy. But okay. So we gapped up CPI, push, 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 fake break. I went on a terrible run of getting caught up in these fake breaks. So what I've been doing lately is just being more patient, letting the candles close, setting my alerts to remind me. I can't remember what I named that alert right there, but I think I'm tripping. This alert right here was for me to hold, and it was my TP. If we got above 560, then I was going to be really bullish. We are reclaiming 560 right now currently, but let's break down this trade. So we had a nice run up, as said, from CPI, nice push down, fake break, push back down underneath 560, all the way into lows of 552. So here I see, okay, we made a lower low. I didn't want to chase sales because I would rather sell high, be comfortable selling high. We don't want to take the sales here, not just yet. I mean, you can, I'm sorry. You can take sells here. You don't want to take buys. You see, this is a nice scalp buy, but you have to be very quick with your hands there on your entries and exits. If not, you're going to get crushed out because it came right back down and we got a little pop again. So there's one try, two try failure for the bulls, and then we go ahead and flush all the way to make it a lower low into 552. Okay, so now I see this. I'm like, okay, I don't want to buy a falling knife, so I'll let the market develop. I got some alerts from people trying to buy. I'm like, okay, you guys are trying to buy too early over here. So I waited. Okay, we're going on 8 a.m. at this point. And I'm like, okay, we made a lower low. We made a lower high. We're pushing. Now, I wanted to get in. I think I played the 5-minute candle. 5-minute candle setup, I believe. And I saw the 1 hour, the higher time frame started to look strong. So I wanted to get involved in some out of the money contracts. So when I'm playing out of the money down here, we're around like 556. I'm targeting 560, but playing out of the money, I can go ahead and target something even higher, like 565, 566, 567, even 570 would have worked. but it only would have worked if you got in near the lowest low. You see, as price was driving, we had a lot of pullbacks. Contracts lose value from these sharp movements. So on these pullbacks, it's very ideal to add to your position so that the value of your average cost isn't being crushed up. That's just how contracts work. If I'm just trading the SPX 500 regularly on a futures broker or a forex, it wouldn't even matter. I'm just going to I'm just gonna go ahead and just add to my position here, and then the value doesn't diminish like contracts. So I paid an average price of $23 around here. We had lows of around like $13, $15, and I was able to catch it on a limit, not a market order, a limit at 23. And I wanted to go ahead and target this imbalance high up here because we made a strong move down, look left, look to see where resistance was to hopefully turn it into support. And that is what ended up happening. That is what absolutely ended up happening. 559.76 and around 914. Come back over here and show you guys. We pushed 561. 9 a.m. There's that 1 hour candle I was telling you guys about. We had a nice pin bar low. I thought we could have pushed for equal lows, but I didn't wasn't looking at the higher time frames so suddenly like that because I knew I was scalping. I knew I wasn't gonna hold this trade all day. I wanted to, but as you can see, we ended up rejecting off 561. So once I saw that, I was like, okay, I was satisfied with my TP at 560. So now that was about a 50% gain. I exited my contracts at 37. I exited at 37. And let me show you that. I went ahead and exited at 37, and I can go ahead and show you guys the trade. There's the gains. Here's the trade coming up. Quotes. This is why I love Moomoo. It'll show you exactly what you did, where you got in, what happened. So here's the trade right here. It's kind of hard to read that, but there's a trade there executed with the broker. So I got involved at 23. And we have that nice liquidity grab back down to 14 is what I really wanted to get in. And then I sold a high at 37 and the contracts pushed as high as 41. So that is a very nice setup, very nice executed plan. And right now what I'm looking at on the SPY is a potential push out of the edge of this range. So what I do now is I go back and look at what I played earlier. Okay, I see that the contracts are still moving. So now I'm done for the day on this broker over here. I want to go over to my other broker, Robinhood, and see what kind of move I can make. So I am bullish currently. I see the 566s are sitting at $30. I see 567 sitting at $21. So that's telling me the 566s are still in play. But I don't have the buying power for that one. But yeah, 10:20 a.m. I could have called it a day, but I wanted to come on stream and do a live breakdown. And then I have to go ahead and journal my trade. But I'm trying to get back into my groove, trying to get back into the flow state. I haven't really been on my A game lately. You know, the market has been very unpredictable. News every day, tariffs, executive orders. It's a lot of things happening in the United States right now. But wow, oh my goodness, gold is just running. I want to show you guys GLD because these contracts right here just went over like GLD is up over 500%. My goodness. GLD up over 500%. It's just like, why didn't I play this? How can we not get involved in that? So we are well above 560. We're getting a nice bullish drive through 561. We hit a wall, 561.18. So resistance turns into support. If we can get a nice push off of this, I would love to see a nice drive into the CPI candle, 565. They went ahead and made the first move of a bull trap and flushed the bulls out very hard to find a lower low of support. A nice rally that we caught this morning, targeting 566. And we go ahead and secure our winners right here. And now it's looking like we are getting a rinse and repeat going into the second half of the New York session. So I'm not really expecting a drive straight through the CPI candle so soon because we don't usually just get these just sharp movements like that. They give it to us kind of sideways, kind of like how this is playing out right here. So we have been sideways for almost 1 hour now. So I am going to be looking to try and take a run higher into that CPI candle. If not today, even tomorrow. So what I do now is I go back to the options chain and I load my options chains up with positions that can potentially work out. So right now on my options watch list, I have 566 calls, and these are all for today. 566, 567 is all that I have on here right now that I'm interested in. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these puts. Wow, gold is really trying to get going here. Gold 270, sitting at 109, well above 500%. I mean, look at this move on gold, just beautiful from the New York Open. Just let's go. 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 Let me go ahead and share this link to the baggage claim on Instagram. I told Threads I was getting in this position. I told Discords. Wow. I mean, that was just a banger of a move right there, catch. I don't know what was a better move. Was it? I feel like gold was a better move because we just got one direction. I had to wait for the sell side to be wiped out on SPY, and then we had just a beautiful push off the lower lows. So I mean, I feel like gold was the better play. Ran more. 500. Would you rather have 500% or 50%? I'd rather have either or because they're both winners. Double shot energy. Should probably get more of these. But what am I trying to? I'm trying to share. I want to share this out to my baggage claim. Copy. I don't want to send my Discord. Yeah, gold is really fucking breaking out here. I had an opportunity to get in right here, but like I said, I started trading USD JPY on Forex mistake because if we got the pullback, if we missed out on the run, don't buy high, don't buy that. Wait for this right here. See where we came? You always look left to find an entry. If you're not being patient and you're just jumping in, you're gonna get a bad feel, and then you gotta wait for your average price. If you bought in right here, you're in drawdown, and then you might panic sell, and then you get this, and you get this, and you get this, and then you get this. So we have 1, 2, 3 pullbacks. You always want to wait on a pullback. Waiting on a pullback is the best thing that you can do. All right, we got this shirt out. We got this shirt out to the baggage claim. Cool. Man, I know it's a little bit laggy. I know you guys can hear me nice and clear because I have this brand new webcam. Shout out my auntie. But I need to upgrade this monitor next. And these two monitors that I have, they don't even have USB ports to plug in something to, which is stupid. But it is what it is. Because this monitor has been holding it down for me. I told myself I wasn't going to upgrade my equipment until I become consistently profitable. My problem right now is holding on to my gains. I know how to make the money. The next thing to do is to keep the money, to not upsize on positions too fast. And that's exactly what I was doing. I started buying 14 contracts. I bought as much as even 20 contracts. And then if the average cost is lower than your number of contracts, you're not doing something right. And I don't even know what happened. Like that's just what ended up happening to me. Like I was averaging down on losers, being in denial, and that's the worst thing you can do. But I've been learning as of 2 years now. It's okay to be wrong. Just don't be long. Don't be wrong for long. But I would really love to see gold get this extension through 271. So through Friday, we can see gold continue this push. And I believe Friday is the 14th, is it? Yep. And then Monday is the 17th. So I would love today. Oh, they not even letting you play tomorrow. Wow, that's weird. So wow. So they know that gold is always gonna move crazy like this on these CPI inflation number days. We got PPI, I think, on Friday. So gold could get a little tricky, but I would love for gold to come out and take out this imbalance high. The spot gold is currently sitting at 29.40. We've been looking to break out at 29.30 for like over a week because we've been sideways. Sideways breakdown, push back up, sideways breakdown, push up, pre-market, and extend. So what was the move? What kind of print did we get for CPI on spot gold? Just to check that out. So the move that we got was 4 hour. Gold is just killing it right now. Gold is killing it right now. I've been waiting for this move for a while. And I traded NFP on Friday, and I was too quick with my moves. I sized up too heavy, and I got washed out. So now I'm back on the options chain, and this move today really could have recouped my losses, but it is what it is. And I'm seeing SPYs making this move back through 561 right now currently, sitting nice and strong off that low of 568. We might have missed our trade right there, doing some reviewing, but that's okay. Man, shout out to the baggage claim, man. We got 61 members in there, man. 61 members in the baggage claim. Shout out to you guys taking advantage of this volatile stock market. We got Tesla up 8% today, Nvidia up 6% today, Palantir up 7% today. That is music to my ears. You love to see it. We did not panic sell Palantir. We have a stop loss on Palantir at 50 from a $22 average share price. That is probably one of my best trades right next to Meta long term. Kava, I don't even want to mention Kava, not at all. But okay, our CPI print today, they pushed us up and then dumped us down, creating a bear trap. I'd say so. So what I do, I didn't get up for CPI today. I was not ready for news just yet because of how my Friday went. So we found a beautiful area of support down here at 2,900. And like I said, I had my alerts for gold, and gold absolutely sniped my alert. Or no, it did not. So I had, well, it did. I'm lying. It hit my alert in the middle of the night in London session. I had alerts on gold, spot gold at 29.01. Why is it not showing me 29.01 over here? That's weird. Oh, because, buddy boy. Let's see. Yeah. So this is a cap, right? So this chart right here is a little bit different than what I'm looking at over here. Sometimes the trading view, they have different charts you can pull up, but as you can see, these are all the different brokers: Forex.com, Oanda, FXEM, IC Markets, ACAP, and I'm currently looking at the ACAP. So ACAP could be a little bit different from price from Forex.com, Oanda. I'm probably using Oanda on my other monitor, But we are getting a nice push on SPY right now. Yeah. Getting a nice push. It's a $3 move off of 558. But as you can see, I mean, gold was just this is, I don't like trading this. This is how you lose money. This is how you lose. I don't really like trading ranges. I like trading breakouts. I like trading markets. Excuse me for 1 second. As the SPY pushes to the sky. Wow. Okay. So I would like to see SPY actually reject off of this zone. Because we still have a lot of time left in today. We have a lot of time left. I mean, these sellers got paid, these buyers got paid, and now these are for everyone that slept in right here, which was me yesterday. And this is what I caught yesterday. And I was like, okay, that's good enough for me. And boom, that's okay. And then we got a beautiful sell-off, and we got a nice push overnight in the futures market. Nice bull trap. Freaking squeezed out. FBG 50%. Beautiful pullback into that. Nice extension through 560. So any contracts between 560 to 567, 68ish paid if you caught it off of the lows of 554, 555. 557, 58, 59, 61, 64, 271.12. Yeah, man, getting involved on this gold right here is really, really tempting. Very, very tempting. Would love to see GLD retest the 273. Shout out to you, man. I would love to see that shit too, dog. Chase G. So the 273s for Friday sitting at $62 with a delta of 29. But what I had on my play for today was 270s. 270s were as low as $18 on GLD. GLD. Oh, baby. I might as well just go live in my Discord over here as well. They can't hear my voice, but it is what it is. Sure. What if I can go? I need to get a microphone for my Mac Mini. But here, I love this. I love these shorts right here off of the 561. Trapping in all the greedy bulls. But now during this time of the day, is we usually just sit and wait because we've had such amazing volatility already. 4 hours in a day, just gotta wait for the setups now. Because say you try to buy, what are you buying here? There's really nothing to buy. The buy was here. The buy was here, and the buy was there. Now you go ahead and look to exit. Look to exit. There's a 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. Go ahead and grab our box. Look left. Find areas of resistance. Boom. Nice break. Nice break at 271. Retest 270. And I would love to see this just continue to try to get up out of this range that we were in for over a week. So buying high is never ideal to do. This is chasing the move right here. This would have been okay to get in right here. But right now, anything can happen. We can start going sideways. But we have just been trending to the upside. We got 1, 2, 3 hours of bull momentum to the upside. Now, the bulls can run out of steam at any moment here. Any moment here. As we saw SPY sell off into the morning, everyone must have rotated over into the commodities because today was the day that the tariffs went into effect for them for aluminum and steel, I guess. So I guess everyone might get it over into the metals market, and we can see almost 1% on the day for metals. S&P's trying to get to 1% on the day. Apple's been holding us back all morning, but we had a nice push from Tesla, Nvidia, even Amazon's up over 1% on the day. Consumer discretionary is still a little bit down. But yeah, Tesla, amazing move today. Trump bought a Tesla yesterday, so I guess there you go. $18 move. It's crazy. But yeah, I really love gold today. Unfortunate miss on gold. Gold is up over 500%. So that is what it is. So I am gonna be looking for a power hour play, maybe, if time permits me today. The SPY is absolutely looking to try to find some type of support here and just get a push. I would love to see that. And even the 273s went on sale today for Friday. $60 for gold. I don't really want to chase after gold here. I'm not even gonna lie. I do not want to chase after gold. Yeah, 838. 838, and I got some news that Trump said the inflation numbers was good news, really good news. So that must have really gave us the push that we needed. And that was just great timing on my end to find some type of catalyst to get involved off the lows. I just got involved a little bit. I got involved 5 minutes too late. And I mean, the field that I got was good, but we could have gotten a lot lower. We could have doubled up on our contract sizing. But I mean, it all worked out. CPI Wednesday. So like I'm saying now, we just sit and wait for anything to develop. You know, we got the East Coast is out at lunchtime right now. Just waiting for them to get back from lunch, to bring some more volume back into the market. But right now, we are creating higher highs is what it looks like. Pull it back, pushed up. I would love to take out this. If we can take this out today, that'll be pretty crazy. But I mean, we have been swinging like $10 movements lately. So I mean, I wouldn't really count it out. We could just reject up here. We rejected here as expected. Pull back into an area of support. Pushed up. And now we are just hanging out. Just hanging out. But I don't know, I'm not really into swinging lately because I swung calls over the weekend and they just really gapped us down. They did us dirty on Monday. They did us so dirty. It was not right. Tuesday. This is Monday. This, man. We had this beautiful area of support right here. I was expecting us to at least get back into like, I would have rather saw a rejection on 585. But you know, fucking Trump got some shit to say every day. Every day he got some shit to say, and then this right here just really killed me. Like I ended up cut it. I was in 583 calls, and we lost 570. I was like, oh my god, we lost 570. Was just heartbreaking. So we are rejecting off this wall, the 561. That's very good to see. So what I'm looking at right here on SPY is a big range. Swing low. It's Tuesday. That was last Tuesday. Yeah, last Tuesday, tariff Tuesday reversal. Push back down. $561.53 rejected. We shouldn't. If we break 558, man, they might slam us back down. I want to see 558 try to hold. There's my alert. Pulling back pretty hard. So now from this big pullback, what I do now is I go back to the options chain, reassess my watch list. Okay, I see that we're getting further and further away from my 565. So now I go back a little bit more closer into the money because the contracts are going on a discount. So what I like, instead of 567 and 566 today now, I remove them from my watch and I go down to like 565. A lot of volume there. Delta's picking up there. 565 for today, sitting at $25. And we have 563 sitting at just below $60. High delta of 0.26, volume 170,000. So go ahead and add them to my watch list. And what we look for now is a liquidity grab to trap in some bears. And it's looking like we're getting that trap right now because we did have a one try for the bears at 558. And now we had another try here at 559. And here we are trying again here at 560, which is the area of support. But we're waiting for this 30-minute candle to close, coming up on an hour here. And we are creating some sort of structure that is showing me that we want to engineer to take out the CPI high. So if it doesn't happen today, because we are running out of time today, the contracts are going more on a discount. So we would like to see 562s with a delta of 32, volume over 200,000. These 562s are sitting at $80. If we can get this to drop down to about like 50, that would be really sweet. So instead of 565s, we want to see the 564s discount to at least like 20, 25 would be awesome. So I go ahead and remove 565 off my watch list. I mean, volume's there for those. Volume's there for 564s. We are getting a nice push down. We're breaking below my area of support of 559. If we can get as close as we can to 558 and hold support there, that would be a great indication for these contracts. Okay, all right. So I'm hearing people are getting short. People are getting short, looking short. Gold still doing its dance. Our gold pulling back a little bit. See, that's what I'm saying. You don't want to buy high. Don't fucking buy high. Let's mark this up for you guys live. We are closing in on the hour, 5 minutes. Okay, what do we see here? What do we see? This is what I see. Look left. Look left. Look left. There's a nice short, nice area of resistance up here at 561. Now we do want to see 558 hold. If we can get 558 to hold, then we can potentially get back in on our track to take out the CPI high. If it doesn't happen today, I start looking at tomorrow's contracts. So if we break 558 today, then that's when we start looking at tomorrow's contracts, because we're gonna run out of time to make a move to get back on track. So we identified this area here as resistance already. So now we go ahead and make a clone of this box, and we go ahead and look for some areas of support. Look for some areas of support here. Or we can even turn on our indicators to just tell me the levels. And we are in the bear reversal zone. So we are expecting resistance like we got in this area. It's very nice. So we are breaking below 560s out of the way. We can go ahead and scoop up 557s. That'll make the contracts for today really go on a discount. We are really selling heavy right here. Sellers are in the market really heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert. 557.74. I want to try to buy there. So we have to pull back. We made a very strong move after a very strong move down. We made a very strong move up into 50% of this run down. So here we are, 558. We're at the midpoint of 558. See, these 562s were at 70. Now they're on discount at 40. We can get rid of 564 out of there because their delta is not really worth a shit. 561s are even getting a little bit on the discount. Now we can if we can make a spike down into here to close out on this hourly. Ooh, looks like we are, looking like we're getting really top heavy up here. So here we are, we're getting close to 558 flat. We can get 558 flat. We can get a nice spike into this zone down here. That would be nice, but
okay. I found this on the web.
I'm not talking. So we are getting a very, very nice sell side action right now. Sell side action is looking pretty crazy. Currently. Yeah, wow, these sell, oh my goodness, these puts are just printing right now. Yeah, this shit is so laggy. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm gonna get this shit fixed soon, man. Get this shit fixed soon. So here we are coming on 558 flat. Where did I have puts? I have puts on my other broker. See, did I delete them? I deleted a good majority of them. 547. Okay, I had 547 on. Wow, that's way too deep though. Because I don't think that I really don't see us getting down into 545. So for today, I want to see like that 552 is a good strike right now. Good 552. 553s. Yeah, we're late to the party on the sell, so I mean that was a trade right there we could have took. But as stated earlier, I was like, okay, I am expecting sell side, but I want to see what happens at the 558 level. But the sellers came in heavy. I thought the bears were done. I wasn't really interested in going to their party. So go ahead and wait for their party to conclude. We're losing 558. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, here we are back in my my entry for calls. Here's 557. Now here we go. 563. Here we go. Now we're bottoming out here. We got an hour just closed. Hourly candle just opened up right here. We don't want to catch the falling knife. Don't want to catch that. But our contracts are moving in price now here. 563. Oh, I had 550. I have 540s over here. They just moved. That was cool. It's a nice push so far. We're holding at 558. There's 558. 563 just popped. Let's see what we can get right here. We'll see what happens in the 5. That's a nice bottom so far. I wanted more of a wick. Didn't really get it. That's a nice bull trap up there, trapping all the greedy guys. Nice bearish engulf. Now I would like to see 560. If we can get back to 560, then I'll go back looking at those contracts way out of the money, which is 566 and 565, which we have on here showing me that we can absolutely get there. So we got what we wanted so far. 558 held up beautifully so far. This is our first five. This is our first five right here. If you tried to chase, you're screwed. We found an area of support at 558. Wait for our first five. Nice push off of 558. We love to see that right there. We love to see the TAs play out like this. This just makes you as a trader very confident to see something like this. Okay. So we found a nice, beautiful area of support around here. 558 low. Beautiful push. Now our 562s are getting back into a premium. So we are too late to go ahead and chase. Too late. But if we go up, man, wow, that's tough. That's a tough one right there. I'm gonna go ahead and set some alerts here for that 560 reclaim, and then we can try to play out of the money for power hour to get some extension back into the CPI high. But it's looking like right now we're creating a wall of 560. 560 looks like it's turning into a wall. But let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and name that alert wall break at 560.39. It's gonna be a wall breaker for me. But you guys excuse me for a moment. So there we go. It looks like we have a move here as we get closer and closer into power hour. I love it. I love it. What do we got? There are alert. Look, we just my alert. Fuck. $5.62 is running off. I have my alert to get in buys wait, didn't even touch. I had 557.74 and we stopped here at 557.82. That is just, you hate when that happens. So if you try to get involved in buys, wait, got first 5, here's our 15. Beautiful pullback into the 558 lows. And now here we are trying to get a drive up of 558, which is what I wanted to see hold. Here's a 1 hour. We can absolutely take these out because there's no body. This is a strong base. We have a nice strong base so far. We don't really care about this over here. We don't need to see that. Here we go, man. I'm looking for an extension off of this 15 right here. Let's go ahead and look at these out of the monies. Because if all we need to clear for the out of the monies to start printing is 560. And it's looking like we're getting a push here off of the 5. That's the 5 over there. 563 is going to go back to our chain for today. Let's see. Let's see it. Let's see it. It's so cold over here. One hour in, and they gave us a nice sell. So far, GLD is pushing back down. GLD is pushing back down, trapping in the late party animals. GLD, going to mark this up here. GLD, what levels do we have for GLD? Let's see what we have on GLD. So yeah, when GLD ran it to race, GLD has ran it to race. So really, we don't even really care about gold for the rest of the day. We just want to see where it retraces to. Okay, so looks like we're building a wall here around 560 still. There is a wall here at 560. We are, in fact, sideways, looking for the edge of this range to get involved long. So I like 564s. The volume's there on 565. So we're gonna go ahead and 562. I don't want to play that. Go ahead and add 565 back on there. 565, 564. So I'm going to be looking for a quick scalp here for 564 calls today, 0 DTE. All I need is a 560. All we need for this to print is for a break of 560.40, and then we print. Everything's looking bullish to me so far. I don't see any resistance. There's our last opportunity to get in on these 564s. The last opportunity. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and get in on this break here at 560. And 15 has closed. Nice bounce. We didn't really do too much here yet. This is very risky. It's very high risk. But I do love this right here, right now. 550, that's a little tight. We want to keep a tight stop because we're playing out of money. So we want it even a little bit tighter than that, but we gotta wait. We don't even have that much time. So we have just about a little bit over an hour left on this play. So here's 564 engineering. Okay, let's see what we can get here. We might get filled in right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in my limit order. And I'm filled. I'm filled here at 24. I'm over here filled at 24. I want to see a nice drive. 560.44. But I would love to get into this 562 area. So we're just gonna be this 560.44 tells me 560.44 tells me to hold. There's our alert. Reclaim. Floating right now. We got filled at 24. Would have loved to. And I would have loved to play it a little bit early. A little bit earlier, 11:10, but we weren't here at the desk. It's very high risk right here. We're a little bit late. We're being a little bit too conservative here. We could have played this right here, 11:10, when we weren't here. Wasn't at the desk. So it is what it is. We can run into some resistance here. 560. So but we can just get this extension back through 560. We'll be all right. But we are coming in under an hour. Man, we're just a little too late here. I mean, we gotta trust our levels here. But as like I just showed you guys, my alert just missed. Too tight right there. So because we reject here, then we just ran out of steam. It's looking like that's what's gonna happen here. Trying to hold, they're trying to shake us out. But I really think that we can push this 560. I really want to see this 560 push. If we don't get it, we don't get it. See what kind of pattern we have going on over here. And we're making higher highs. We made a higher high up there. It's going slow. Yeah, we should have been in right here. We could have been in here, but we weren't here at the desk. We wasn't here at the desk. I mean, that's how fast things move lately. We do have this stop is a little tight. I want to make it a little bit tighter. 559. Yeah, if we lose 559, we gotta get out because we're gonna lose value so fast because we're playing out of the money. We're losing value. Yeah, we might be done right here. Yeah, they're really trying to shake us out. What's our 30-minute looking like? Yeah, they're trying to shake me out. Yeah. They get in the midpoint. This is a midpoint entry. Midpoints are just not the best thing to do. Yeah. Could have waited for the 30, 5 minutes. Probably just played it too soon. Probably played it too soon here. That's all good. They're really trying to shake us out here. That's a good pushback so far. It's a beautiful pushback so far. What are these 564? It's a nice pushback so far. We are losing value. I love the delta on these. We're all right. Let's see, we need this push right here, right now. 5 minutes. See that? I mean, that's if we just wait. If we just wait, man, we buy this right here, we're good. We're good. If we just that's how these contracts are, man. You gotta the entries are everything. And we thought we could just push right away. We pulled back. Now we are trying to push up out of here. Trying to push up out of here. See how close my stop came. We love to see it so far. 558. 5. What's our higher time frames looking like? I mean, we engulfed the last hour already, right? We engulfed the last hour. We're sitting at 559.50, just below our entry. 4 hour. 4 hours a little bit indecisive here. But man, yeah, look at this spin top here. This is just like, which way do we want to go? And they took out buyers and they took out sellers. And how we're stuck sideways right here. The market's, I guess, waiting for some more data. The daily's pointing to the upside. Daily's just sitting here. We're just sitting in no man's land, really. So these 564s might be no good. Even a 562. 562 might have been a better value play, but we're not suited up for that. Our account is a little bit too low. But here we are, we're getting closer and closer to 560. We need some volume to come in. These guys, the big boys should be back from lunch. They should be back from lunch now. 1:30. Let's see what happens on this 30-minute candle coming up here in 3 minutes. We need some volume to come in now. We need them to come in right now. There's my alert. We should drive. We should absolutely floor it right now. Let's floor that shit, SPY. Floor it. All we need is 560.40, and we can print heavy 560.40. We can print. We need this so bad right now. We need this trade right here. We need it bad. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We needed that. We switched brokers. We caught this right here. We can catch this on the other broker right here. That's a big win for today. That's a huge win. We're 30 cents away, baby. Come on. We're up 4% right now. We could have got these contracts a little bit more of a discount. Man, they were at $16. And we got filled at 24. Damn. Yeah, so we might have missed out on a really good discount, but we're in where we got in. And I'm feeling very confident on this drive into power hour here on this 30-minute candle closure. Got 20 seconds here. Let's see if we can get it or not. We could see a rejection at 561. 10 seconds here. Something crazy could happen right now. We get something crazy. We can get a top wick up here and push us back down. Really don't want to see that. I want to see a bottom wick and push. Anything can happen right here. That's not a good sign. We're up 8% right here. We just want to see 560.40 push through. Let's go. Let's go. Push through 560.40 so we can relax. Man, yeah, we just got in a little bit too high. We got in a little bit too high there, man. Like I said, they're trying to shake us out. They're really trying to shake us out here. Because, man, look at this entry we could have had right here, 1120. We just played it a little bit too soon. And are we waking my wall breaker? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We're right here, baby. Let's go. Know you want to go. We know you want to go. Let's do it. This 30-minute, man, it's not looking like it wants to go. We could get flushed. We might get flushed out of here, man. This is not going to be sexy at all. This is very high risk. Very high risk because we should be down here, but we have to go handle some business. If we're in here, we don't even care about this. But we're in a little too high, so. Wow, we just had it. Pull back to the entry. Okay, we have less than an hour before these 0 days close out. They're really trying to shake us out of here. Was 564 the best value here or what? Maybe 563 was better. But we were just late. We just kind of missed out. Where it is. Yeah, 563 was the better value. 25, 11, 10. 563 is what it did. Okay. 563 would have been a better area. Come on, Spike Keisha. We want to eat lunch. I want to go eat lunch. Spike Keisha, come on. Let's go. Let's go here. We got what we want. We got what we want. We got our target. Now, can we sweep it is the question. Can we sweep right here, right now? Can we sweep it or do we go ahead and secure? Now, this is a point in time where you have to go ahead and make a decision. We got our target met. Now, we need to see a closure above our target to hang on to the trade. If we don't hold this area, we can lose value fast. Where is the fucking volume at on this mug? I know we can get in here. It's just the fact that if we were in a little bit lower, we'd be okay. So now we're sitting at 20% here. Our daily goal is 25 to 50%. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my stop loss. Stop market 1. Damn. Not looking like it. We would have got instantly stopped. So they're trying to shake the buyers out of here right now. What the F? It's a 0 DTE, man. You take what you can take. We just saw 20%. Now we're back flat. Now we're back flat. Now we're breaking. We're breaking our target. Oh man, they're making this one tough. They're making this one tough, man. Yeah, we might have to just get up out of here. We might have to get up out of here. Let's go ahead and simulate our returns. Yeah, we can just get a push out of this 560 area. That'll be really good for us. But they are really trying to shake us out. They're really, oh man, they're really trying to shake us out of here. Not liking what I'm seeing. 20 minutes for this hour, 20 minutes before power hour. And they're really making this hard to hold. They're trying to make this hard to hold. But we see where we want to go. We see where they want to take us. They're just making it hard for us because we have such a shit entry. Man, if we would have just waited just a little bit instead of impulsively getting involved, wait just 5 more minutes after missing out from 15 minutes ago. But here we are again at our target. Here we are again at our target. We're flat on the contract because we are just cruising. We need to smash on the gas right now. We need to smash right now. Let's see what these. What's the word? What's the word on the street right now? Yeah, someone's in puts. Fuck your puts. Yeah. They're trying hard to shake the players out. Need 560.40 to break out right here. And I'm not in messages. 11:23. V-shaped reversal, double tops. Yeah, we do have PPIs tomorrow. Is it? I thought it was Friday. Oh, PPI is actually tomorrow. Wow. Okay. They might hold us here. It might hold us here at 561. That's all we need, though. That's all we need is 561. We just need this push over 560.40, and then we can rip right here. We can just rip. This 15-minute candle has 5 minutes. Come on, let's go. Let's just close up here. Let's get a closure at 561 so we can go ahead and just shut this shit down. Let's see what we can do now. Let's see. Go ahead and put this in here because we made this yesterday. Deposit earning. Okay. See, I did change my account from a cash account so I don't overtrade because that's what's been really blowing me. Okay, we got our push right here. I wanted to go ahead and add. I'm checking how many trades I've entered this week. Real quick. Okay, we can do it. Nice push. I'm gonna go ahead and add right here. If they let me, if they even allow me. It would have been better to add when we were back down there, but man, adding to winners, I don't usually add to my winners like that. Video going long, I can smell the 560.82. You know what I'm gonna do here, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and secure this right here because I'm not feeling the greatest. I'm not feeling the greatest right here. Even though I just went ahead and added some more money into the account. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sell out. We're getting 561. Look at this. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and sell. We're out. We're out. Oh wow. Let's see. I want to see this shit push into 5. If it pushes it, it's gonna go. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful right there. All right. Go ahead and go for it. But they just shut my ass out of there, so. $16% on that right there. I'll take it. I'll go ahead and take that. I mean, we could have been in down here. It was just, this would be just such a nice cruise. But we got to go ahead and secure right here. We are coming into power hour. Here's our 15-minute right here. Look at that, 561 break. Holy shit. Oh my God. Look at that shit. All we wanted was that 560.40, and then we knew we could get a push to 561, and here we are. And we're not in the trade anymore. Because too risky. But that is good enough. Creeping up. SPY 560 to 561. We went ahead and made a deposit too fucking late. We are out. We're out. That was a beautiful move right there. Beautiful move right there for you guys. So that's 2-0 on the day right here. We're gonna go ahead and review that. I wanted to, man. They're gonna fucking give it. And I'm sitting out on it again. Here it comes. Damn, I'm fucking out of there already. Fuck. That was a tough hold right there, you guys. That was a tough hold right there. Like I said, if we got in a little bit later, a little bit earlier, we would have been great. We absolutely saw this coming. We saw this mug coming. If we would have got in, this is a $15 fill right here. If I would have deposited a little bit earlier and got this, it would be clean. That'd be like a nice 50% gain right there. But we are 2-0 on the day. We are going into power hour here. Our 15-minute candle just closed, bullish. There's our 5 driving right now. Beautiful. We should absolutely sweep this up. That shit can sweep. Even the 563s are up over 50%. We should print. We should print right now. What did we get in? We got into we played 564s, right? Yup. Woo, look at that. My God. Good night. Good night. Good night. 564 sitting at $50. Nice. And we got out of the motherfucker at 27. Fuck, man. Damn, this shit's gonna print so hard right now. Wow. I mean, there's our target map. There's our TP. There's our TP. That's all we need right there. Whatever happens now, it's manipulation. Beautiful fucking move there, man. We gotta put some more size on right there. Put some size on. Put some size on, man. What's gold doing? Gold's still pulling back. Yeah, that's what I said. Gold's done. 56.24. We're getting close to my TP. We're getting close to the TP on the SPX. What is it? Freaking UJ is fucking bullshit. $56.32 is what we're looking for on the SPX. And they are pulling the chair. They don't want to push price. We're waiting for a PPI. Yeah, we're going on over an hour and a half here on the stream. We were able to catch a nice setup. Very textbook setup that we can get involved just a little bit sooner. We can take advantage of this full move. Because these contracts absolutely just printed out. Absolutely printed. Very nice. Off of the lows. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Wall breaker at 11:39. 11:38. When did we sell? Did we even? I don't even think I waited for that. I did wait for it. So we broke the wall, and then I was like, you know what? That's good enough for me. And then we get a nice, beautiful extension into the supply. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful setup here on SPY. We caught a nice move off the lower lows, 564s. We wait for a retracement. We don't want to trade this garbage. We wait for a rejection. Come back down. We just barely wait my alert to go ahead and buy. And then we get involved a little too late because we were not here at the desk. And we hit our TP and we come right back on down to shake out the buyers. So, I mean, this is good enough for me here today, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and clip this up because we got some nice momentum going right now. We are 2-0 on the day. We could have been 3-0 on the day with gold being an absolute monster of a move off of the bell, off the New York Open bell. And I mean, we have more data coming out tomorrow. So I'm expecting another liquidity move overnight to point to the direction we want to go. So today we bull trapped. So tomorrow we should bear trap. That's just my theory. But really nice price action today. Very nice sells coming into the day, and we found a nice area of support off the lows. Nice push back into the CPI print, but we are not there yet. We are at the CPI lows. We want to take out the highs. But I'll go ahead and I secured 16% on these 564 calls, and I went ahead and secured 50% on calls earlier from my other broker. So small size today, good win. Oh, I actually played 566s. Wow. So I played 566s earlier and I played 564s just now. So even though we did not get to the targets, we got as close as we could. So the closer you get to your targets, the more money that you print for being on the right side of the train tracks. So this is an unplanned stream. I just wanted to come on and show you guys how volatile that these news event days are. I mean, there's pretty much news every day, but inflation data is what really moves the market unless Trump is doing something. But as you can see, man, we've been having some very beautiful swing highs to lows and then off the lows back into the highs. So, I mean, I'm expecting this volatility to continue all month as earnings season comes to an end. I'm not even really sure who reports earnings today. I know Kohl's reported earnings yesterday. Actually, you know what? Instead of doing that, let me just go to Instagram. Oh, we just made a nice grab. We just made a nice grab off 560. We might be able to get him back involved here on this bull train. They might try to give it to us now. It looked my alert. Why is my alerts not? Wow. Alert without a can. I had my alert set at 560.39 and we came down to 560.40. Wow. What a push. Well, wow, they might actually fucking push this shit right now. Damn. Power hour. Double shot of energy. Really did it for me today, man. Shout out to Starbucks. Wow, this is such a lag. I hope my voice isn't lagging. But what a fucking trade. What a trade to catch right here. I mean, we call it small gains, but gains are gains. Gains are gains. My phone just died. My phone just died. what? Who's reporting earnings? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm about to shut it down here pretty soon, guys. Okay, we have Adobe, American Eagle. It's retail, a little bit of tech. Tomorrow we have Ulta. Got Ulta coming out tomorrow. Yeah, not really too much. Adobe could be huge. But yeah, we are coming to the conclusion of earnings season for Q1. So, yep, that's about it for today, man. We could see some explosives for Power Hour, which is right now. Right now, boy. You could see some fireworks. It's showing me a reversal, indicating a reversal. You didn't have to hold it to that one. Yeah, what a candle. What an indecisive candle. We got out right here. I don't even think I took the 561. I got out right there. That's cool, man. That's good, bro. That's all you need, bro. With some good size there. There's some racks, some size. But we could have really went crazy off this 11-10, 11-10, 30-minute trade right there. They did this. They made me work. They made me earn this. I worked for this. I worked for this. I mean, this was not an easy hole, guys. We got in early. We almost got stopped. We missed a beautiful ad. I didn't want to add here because it's like, all right, well, we wanted to see 560.40, and then we pulled back, and then we pushed. So it was a lot of tug of war right here, and this could have easily been avoided if we didn't impulsively enter before the 30-minute candle. We got a little pullback. We got a great discount to get back involved, and we missed out on our ad. We could have went super heavy right here, but we could have went even heavier right here. 1107. Let's just ride that bad boy. But we take what we can take because we play 0 DTEs, and gains are gains. Green is green, and that is great confidence to build going into the next trading day, next trading session. So what I do now, get into my journal, go over what I was thinking, go over how I was feeling, go over my plan, and try to replicate what we did today and fine tune what we did today to do even better. But I did have some moments where I had to walk away. That's okay. We didn't chase. We kind of did chase, because we got involved impulsively. We could have waited for that 30-minute candle closure. So we did hold some drawdown. Could have added on that drawdown because we weren't super red, but we added just a little bit too late, and it is what it is. So we are here in power hour, and a lot of manipulation is going to start coming in. We're going to get some, we're going to get all the hedge funds putting in their orders. I mean, if you guys want to see that, I can stay on for a little bit longer, but I do have to make some phone calls. I do have to make some phone calls. The funded trader is really trying to come out. That's hilarious. It's hilarious. Yeah, looking like they're shaking out the bulls for the inflation data tomorrow. Yep, they're coming right on that down. All right. Now, you know, I haven't been in the Westlake area in a couple months. Westlake, Silver Lake. That's a cool area. Pico. Super, a lot of traffic over here, though. I'm really like being in traffic like that. Yeah, we are in the power hour. I'm seeing a lot of selling coming in. My alert. That's why you take profits, baby. We have a plan. We wanted 561. We wanted 560.40 to push 561, and then we reject 562, and then you get out up there and you take your money and close the computer for the day. Caught two beautiful setups. We trimmed too early. We trimmed early and we tried to add too late. If we would have added, that would have just been not ideal. I don't really add on to my winners as much as I should be, because I don't know, adding at a cheaper, you want to buy at a discount. You don't want to pay a higher premium ever on anything. If you can pay for something at a nice, if you can buy something at a nice discount, that just gives you more leeway for growth. As price continues to climb, the more and more you make from a low. If I'm buying high at a premium, then the chances of my growth are not as high as they can be from buying at a discount, but the value increases a lot quicker in terms of percentage gains. I mean, not percentage gains, but dollar value. Making money is what it's all about, but we don't try to focus on the dollar amount. We want to focus on the percents. We want to focus on the percentage gainers because, like I told you, GLD ran up over 500% today, and we just weren't locked in. GLD with the banger move, 9 a.m. Just, hey, let's go higher. Banger fucking move here at 9 a.m. So that's gonna be it for me today, guys. 2-0. We called some live trades and on threads. We sent an alert to the baggage claim. 30 minutes of work right now. I mean, really, like 1 hour of work, but we had a plan for today. The plan worked out, and we got paid. So there's nothing more you can ask for there. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up because I love this, and I'm gonna work on finding a newer monitor to stream on for you guys because I know it's a little bit laggy. But that's gonna be it for today. We're waiting for more data to come out tomorrow and expecting more volatility. I'm expecting more movements to the upside if we have good news. So shout out to you if you're taking advantage of all these dips and these great companies going on sale because we are seeing some nice greens of today. And that's going to be it.